Hello everyone, today I'm going to share another method that combines modeling with problem solving. Let's start by reading the problem carefully. Ali has 3 times as much money as Sarah, and Ali spent Y160. After Sarah spent 30 yuan, the amount of money the two individuals possessed became the same. The question inquires, how much money did each of them originally have? First, we need to determine who has more money and who has less, who has the larger amount and who has the smaller amount. Since Ali has 3 times as much money as Sarah, Sarah would need to triple her amount to equal Ali's, which means Sarah has less money than Ali and Ali has more. So, let's begin by considering the smaller amount. We can represent Sarah's money as a simple triangle, which clearly stands for the amount of money Sarah has. Then, Ali's money is 3 times that of Sarah's, so Ali has 3 triangles, which is indeed 3 times what Sarah has. Alright, Ali spent 160 yuan, and after spending 30 yuan, what does this mean? This means that this is Ali's money. Ali has this much money. So, after he spent 160 yuan, whose money was it 2 years ago? 2 years ago, after Sarah also spent 30 yuan, the two of them had the same amount of money. It's just that simple. So the key to understanding the problem lies here. Once you find the relationship of equal amounts, solving the problem becomes very easy. Next, we just need to do the calculation. Alright, let's carefully add 160 to both sides of the equation. By precisely adding 160 to both sides, the negative 160 on the left side is effectively cancelled out, and on this right side, we simply add 160. Okay, let's now proceed to simplify this expression. Then 160 minus 30 is precisely the same as adding 130. Alright, at this particular point in time, both sides of the equation are perfectly balanced. The fundamental difference between them remains completely unchanged, so it is indeed still the very same. Now, at this particular point in our calculation, the two triangles truly equal to a total of 130? So, we can meticulously calculate that one single triangle is indeed 130 divided by 2, precisely split evenly between the two, which inherently means that one individual triangle is worth 65 yuan. We have successfully worked it out. In other words, this specific amount is what Sarah originally possessed, which is exactly 65 yuan. Ali, on the other hand, has 3 triangles. So for Ali, that specifically means 3 distinct triangles, that is to say, 3 times 65 added together. So for Ali, this implies, how much does Ali have? Add them up, and the total is 195 yuan. We've calculated it easily. Have you learned it? If so, please give teacher a like, follow, and share with more friends to learn together.